All right, big development there. Chief Justice of India has, the bench led by the Chief Justice has taken suo motu cognizance of Dhanbad judge's death in an alleged murder case. Supreme Court has sought details of investigation from state DGP. So big development there. The Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of Jharkhand judge's murder case. For more on this, I'm joined by Meenakshi Bhanja on the broadcast. Meenakshi, thank you for joining us. The Chief Justice of India saying that it's a gruesome incident and the state DGP has to file a report before registry. For the benefit of viewers, what more can you tell us about this latest development?
Well, that's right. A very significant move coming in from the Supreme Court of India, along expected lines. But the fact that the Chief Justice of India is very cognizant of the fact that Jharkhand High Court has already taken suo motu cognizance. So the Supreme Court Chief Justice of India led bench today has again taken suo motu cognizance of the mowing down of a Jharkhand judge in an alleged murder case. The Supreme Court has sought details of the investigation from the state DGP in a week's time. And alongside, the Honorable Chief Justice of India has commented as to how this is a highly unfortunate incident which happened on Wednesday, where the ADJ, the deceased ADJ, was hit by an auto rickshaw, which was a gruesome incident. It is being investigated at this point in time. And he went on to state as to how, taking into consideration similar incidents which are happening all over the country in various places for judges and some places against lawyers as well, who are appearing in highly sensitive matters and who go on to function fearlessly, it may require hearing of the case on larger issues. So while the Supreme Court has made it clear that it is not going to interfere with the proceedings of the Jharkhand High Court suo motu, but the Supreme Court Chief Justice of India also made it clear that the Supreme Court will be looking at larger questions of security for judicial officers and sometimes lawyers who are working fearlessly across India in some sensitive matters. And the Chief Justice went on to observe as to how it has been brought to the knowledge of the top court that there are several incidents taking place all over the country, and the Supreme Court said that it has issued notices to all the states and union territories with regards to this as well. So it is a highly sensitive case, the Supreme Court not interfering with the Jharkhand High Court proceedings, but at the same time the Supreme Court wishes to delve deeper into aspects of security pertaining to judicial officers who are discharging their functions across the country. And the Supreme Court notes today as to how there are incidents that are happening across the country that has been brought to the knowledge of the top court. So yes, the state DGP now, under the scanner, he has to present details of the investigation to the top court in a week's time.
All right, thank you, Meenakshi Bhanja, for getting us those updates and bringing us up to speed with the latest as far as the shocking accident/murder case of Dhanbad judge Uttam Anand is concerned. The Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the case.